Okay, now most people working with rocket fuel on YouTube know of the KNSU, which is the potassium nitrate and table sugar fuel, and most of them have seen a couple videos on how to recrystallize them using an electric skillet. And you know, I do like the KNSU propellant, but it's really hot when casting. It hardens really fast, and there's a lot of properties about it that are not preferable, especially brittleness and the hydroscopic. Now I'm gonna show you a propellant that is not as brittle and doesn't need to be as hot to form it. The potassium nitrate and sorbitol propellant. Couple good qualities about this one. It's not as brittle. It does not require any water in the process of making. It actually all you do is melt the sorbitol and add in the potassium nitrate. Weigh out your chemicals first. I'm going to do a 100-gram batch, so I'm going to have 65 grams of potassium nitrate and 35 grams of sorbitol. Okay, you're going to take, this is the oxidizer, you're going to take a small amount of red iron oxide and dip it in. Just that amount. It's really not even a weighable amount. And if you mix this in real well, what you're going to get is just a little pinkish powder. Okay? I took the sorbitol from the, and I put it in here with the potassium nitrate. There's no problem doing it this way. Just mix it all in real nice before you pour it down onto the skillet. Okay, the skillet is up to heat, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my first amount. Just that. Turn it down a little bit. Just like this. Nice and easy. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm putting the dry mixture down onto the hot skillet, and I'm letting the skillet heat it to melting point of the sorbitol. And the sorbitol is actually liquid enough to make the propellant flowable. Pourable, actually. That's what I meant to say. It's actually pourable. We can actually pour this into our tube. Our last amount. We're going to turn it up just a little bit. And you see how that works just like that. Now we pour it. Okay, so we unplug it. No, I'm good. So I poured it into here. Let's see if you can see that. I hope you can. I poured it into that guy right there. The rest of it I'm just gonna go ahead and pour into, you know, something else. So it actually, after the first day, it'll be quite solid, and then it takes 1 to 2 days after that to actually get to the hard, solid rocket fuel state. So I'm going to give you a test, but you have to keep in mind that this fuel is still in a liquid, not liquid, but still in in a clay-like state. Okay, this is real stuff. It's good for smoke bombs too.